open turn on the microphone for our YouTube channel. Yeah, okay. So yeah, guys, today's AMA and live demo for our pre-launch test will be broadcasting on both on Twitter and the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel's link has been posted. Yeah, on the this the link of this AMA. Probably you guys could check it out. Since I will show the slides and live demo. Yeah, that will be nice. Yeah, to have the visual and yeah. Okay, let's start. Yeah.
I think we should wait for some people to join in more
Okay.
because
Yeah.
yes, let's give some time for people to join.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. You are the host. Yeah. I'm just a speaker. Yeah.
Definitely. Okay.
Thank you.
I think we should wait for more 2 to 3 minutes to let people in, join in.
Yeah, sure. And yeah, we can retweet our AMA on the Twitter and yeah, send your friends, ask them to join us tonight. Yeah, this AMA and demo will be fantastic.
Definitely. The post link has already been provided. I think it would be better if everybody share, tweet, and share the link among your friends so that your friends could join in here as well and see what Hyperdust protocol is putting up on the table. Yes, it will be a very interactive session, and many things will be discussed here in the AMA. And yes, pre-launch test, which is a big thing, it's already started. So yeah, I think everybody should know about it.
Okay, and the microphone is on. We have dual microphone. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Satori. Yeah. Yes, actually, we start to generate the virtual islands, the virtual space with artificial intelligence from 2021. Yeah, from the 2021. By the end of 2021, we launched this the generative islands or metaverse project. We called that it's more sci. That's that's a word means most AI. So we put it together to create a new word. Yeah. So Mosai is a word who has thousand islands, virtual islands, generated with AI, and we use the AI model called style GAN. Yes, style GAN is a generative AI module to generate images by feeding the model with the data, and the algorithm will learn the patterns from the data and generate new images. So we fit the model with different a lot of pictures and videos of islands. For example, the islands of Solomon and the islands of Maldives and many other islands. Some islands are disappearing from the earth. Yeah, from Earth since due to the climate change. So the rise of high level causing the disappearing of those islands. So there is one more. There is an article written by a BBC and saying in probably in next 50 years, more than 300 islands were disappeared from the Earth. So yeah, so that's where we start. Yeah, the most emitter will start, and we build up a huge islands metaverse, and and after that we got more and more metaverse citizens and more islands built. We built it on the top of complex blockchain. Yeah, at first, and yeah, of course, we already migrate all the islands from complex blockchain to Arbitrum blockchain. Yeah, it's I will discuss more detail about it later. Yeah. And since we got a more and more population in our metaverse, and of course a lot of users, so we need a lot of computing power, especially GPU rendering, GPU for rendering, and GPU for our AI model training and inference. Yeah. So we pay a lot of money to buy cloud service from some cloud companies. Yeah. Uh, so that's that's becoming a bottleneck. Yeah, of our platform. I think, and we have a we surveyed the entire metaverse and AAA gaming industry. We think we conclude that this is not a particular issue or challenging for us. That's kind of all the metaverse and AAA games pays paying money, a lot of money, investing money to buy computing power from cloud companies. So that's we just come up an idea. Why don't we build a platform infrastructure with blockchain technology, to solve this problem or tackle this challenge. So we tokenized the GPU computing power and fully tokenized. And we built this infrastructure we call the Hyperdust. Yeah, so we have a separate in project called Hyperdust. We have a Hyperdust Foundation, and this foundation will invest and promote this infrastructure for all the metaverse and the AAA games. So that's all the metaverse and platforms and games and AI apps will benefit from this infrastructure. So that's where we are or why we are here right now. So today, that's just a brief introduction about my experience, past experience about this project. Yeah. So the Sadoi, yeah.
Yes, it's totally from your technical perspective. It's totally decentralized protocol, and we all know that the disadvantages associated with Web 2, and yes, how it is going to be fully decentralized. If you could elaborate in this.
Yeah. Yes. So since we are demanding our metaverse demanding more the huge vast computing power, so we investigate all the Web3 or all the Web2. Web2, but that's obvious. So it's clear. We pay the bill. Just we buy computer power from the cloud company, and we also investigate Web3 world. Some projects claim they support the metaverse and AAA games. They have a GPU on chain, so we try to use those infrastructure. I do not want to mention the names, but I will talk about the names or the list. We have a list, of course, all the existing infrastructure for metaverse. But unfortunately, all the infrastructure existing platforms, they are just a web platform with token, but just to follow the traditional Web 2 business model. So people or metaverse need to buy the GPU computing power from platform without paying fiat currency. But we need to pay the order with cryptocurrency. So that's a fundamental difference, from a traditional Web 2 cloud company. So as we can see, that's just a Web 2 cloud company with tokens. So that's not fully tokenized GPU computing. That's just a cloud computing with crypto payment. You just need to pay them with USDT or ETH or Bitcoin instead of US dollar. So that's
means you're telling that the self-proclaimed Web3 now the projects which are now giving GPU computing, these are not truly decentralized. They are only renting or leasing GPU resources.
Yes.
Okay.
So our platform in Hyperdust does not rent any GPUs to the client or user. We just fully tokenized. I will talk about it later. Yeah.
Okay, and the traditional Web2 platforms, these are means to take services from them, you need to pay high fees. So yes, I think uh, it will be a cost-cutting option for people who want to launch applications.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly.
So besides, I think we have got a brief descriptions. Landon will be going into the introduction and the demonstration phase. But before that, let me tell you that give a description about the team. Landon is the co-founder. Jia Wang is the co-founder and product designer, and she experienced in Web3 product design and product management, such as metaverse and NFT trading system. We have Vian Lee,
Yeah.
who is our business advisor. He is in charge of business development,
Yeah.
and we have Yeming Fang, lead software engineer. We have two cloud rendering expert, Eileen Wang, operation director. So here we have our team, and it is a very experienced team, and I think what Landon has just now given a brief description that yes, they are solving a real world problem. They are working hard, and they have developed a product. It's now for the community to adopt, to test, and yes, be an early adopter. Uh, so yes, Landon, can you tell more about the project?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, and also our team member, one of our team key team member is Sadoi. Yeah, the same. Yes,
Thank you.
he has a lot of experience in marketing, Web3 project marketing. Yeah, it's yeah my pleasure. So I met him. I know him personal in person. Yeah, a very long time ago. So thanks. And that's I would say very I'm feel very grateful for the whole team. They're working. We are working. Yeah, on the project day and nights. Yeah, we're hard working. So as we you may know from our biweekly report, yeah, we got visible progress. And yeah, along this time. Yeah, I'm very it's my pleasure to present this yeah test yeah to all of us. And we already have our first round alpha testing in September. Yeah, I think that September we have the testing launched at Singapore. Yeah, token 2049, and after that, yeah, we spent a lot of time to enhance and fix the bugs and add some new features. Yeah. Uh, yeah, before we jump into the all the product features, I will give a bit more introduction about this yeah our project. So that's um, our previous work, as I mentioned, the Memo side, the first AI generated island on-chain metaverse. That's already online from 2021, but then uh, 16 Southern Island citizens we have, and we already deployed and yeah mint more than 400 islands, and 100 brands and IP islands are built, such as Amazon, web service. Yeah, that's cloud company, and the PGI, etc. And we built some AI GC standards. For example, we have non-fungible generatives. Yeah, we have that's an extension to ERC 721. Yeah, so that's our previous work, and now we are working. Sorry, what happened? Yeah, right now we are working on Hyperdust, the infrastructure, and as we said, we do not rent and or lease. We do not lease or rent any GPUs. So Metaverse said Metaverse and AI do not rent GPUs, but tokenized GPU. So Hyperdust is a fully tokenized GPU project. Yeah, that's for Metaverse and AI. So a lot of maybe if it's not all the Metaverse, at least a lot of most of the Metaverse and AI are renting. Are take rent orders from the some GPUs holders. So that's expensive and burden. That's maybe that would be a lendless burden. For that. So we Hyperdust will free those metaverse and games and AIs. So in that sense, we think we believe Hyperdust will be the very fundamental infrastructure for both metaverse and AI for those products or applications that needs intensive computing. So this give you give you this slide give you a very basic idea about what from a technical point of view. If you do not see the slides, I would say you imagine you should probably you already know the architecture of the SRAM. So SRAM has EVM running on CPUs, SRAM virtual machine, and on above that there is a Solidity discrete language, the program language creates the bytecode executed by the EVM. So comparing with that architecture, Hyperdust is we have Hyperdust has a graph virtual machine running on the top of GPUs, and we have also have a similar similar developed language or programming language. We call it hypergraph. The hypergraph is not traditional. How to say that's not traditional discrete. That's visual scripts language. So it can be used on both artificial intelligence and 3D pipeline computing. So that's we unified the AI and 3D computing together by graph computing. So that's very similar to SRAM basic architecture. So most of the talking of Hyperdust are mining by GPU. GPU we call it as proof of real work. This is quite different from POW. That's totally different from that, but has some connection with that. So why we call it as real work means in traditional POW algorithm, the computing just the GPU. We also use GPU. We use the GPU to mine SRAM. ETH before, in version 1. And we also use GPU to mine Bitcoin. So we call that as a POW, proof of work. All the computing in proof of work is just a hash computing. The algorithm, the protocol just guess the loads, the mining nodes are guessing guessing the how many zeros of the hash number. So that's not for real work. Not just the hash rate computing, hash counting. But in our algorithm protocol, we used GPU to rendering or to training or inference, AI inference. And at the same time, we use a special algorithm to reach consensus. So we call that a proof of real work. If we want to know more detail, even more detail, you can read our white paper. This is our tokenomics. Totally we have supply 200 million total supply. And we have different some allocations, but most parts about 60 percentage are for mining algorithm, for GPU mining most of it. And we have part of some token for direct sales. So right now we already launched our first round private sale. Private sales. If you want to know more the deep details about that, you can ask me or Sadoi about that. And we have core teams share and some part of share with foundation, and also to give us early adopters, or contributors. That's 4.5. And as I said, we investigate a lot of existing Web3 GPU platforms, infrastructures, and we get this result. At least, we have, for example, Akasha Network, BitTensor, and the Edge Matrix, GPU Relate, and Golemi Network. Some projects are famous, some maybe not so popular. Is that we can see some projects already reach quite big market capitalism. For example, Render Network, that's 1.4 billion. But unfortunately, as I see, all the platforms are based on lease and rent business model. All the other applications need to rent GPUs or computing power from the platform. So that's no fundamental different from traditional cloud companies. That's totally exactly the same. It's from a business model's point of view. They do not use do not only use fiat. They just take the crypto payment. So that's quite different. Since what's willing to not cause the fundamental cause of this, the fundamental reason is they do not have the consensus algorithm, like I mentioned, running on the top of the graphic virtual machine, just like the EVM. They are missing those parts. So so as I remarked here, that's So that's all those platforms are leased and rent with token payment. But Hyperdust um, it is GVM driven. GVM is means GPU driven by token. What it means the driven? The driven by token means the mechanism, the GVM like mechanism. So people do not pay Ethereum to execute the smart contract. Yeah, they do not provide the service. They do not, but the EVM is driven by Ethereum, by ETH, by the token. So they do not your token, your ETH do not directly pay for the EVM nodes, but you just need to pay some gas fee, yeah, of that. So in that sense, that's totally fully tokenized. Ethereum is fully tokenized of the CPU of the EVM. Yeah, so we actually, from technical point of view, we're fully tokenized the GVM. So it means we're fully tokenized the GPUs. So that's quite totally different. Yeah, here is the most exciting part is we already reached the goal, yeah, of to have our pre-launch test, online. It's already online. It's already, you can see from our official website. We have a Hyper app, the button of Hyper app, and you can access all the applications from there, and all the islands, yeah, generated by AI are deployed on Arbitrum Sepolia testnet. So yeah, we reached it, and I will talk a little bit about the long-term milestone. Probably somebody will get a little bit confused about that. For example, after the pre-launch test, we will have our Istanbul version official launch. That does not mean it's not it will run on the mainnet of Arbitrum first, but and it's not a test version. It's official version. But the mainnet launch, the goal set around 2025 Q3. That's a standalone layer 2 chain. So after this pre-launch test, we will have an official launch on the mainnet. But we are on the top. We're just a protocol running on on Arbitrum or other blockchain layer 1. Eventually, we will have our standalone layer 2 blockchain. So that's why we choose Arbitrum as our first mainnet, first blockchain. Since Arbitrum, we could use Arbitrum as to launch our standalone layer 2. Yeah, I'll give a little bit more explanation. This slide, I just wrote this word. We could. That's Hyper Island. As I said, we already deployed all the islands on Arbitrum blockchain, and we have 300 islands were dropped. We will airdrop to the KOLs and developers or builders. And you can apply that now. Yeah, this is the first. All the islands are the first alternative digital home for us. So it will be existing permanently. Yeah, for all the users, and the people can always get on board on those islands, and have the digital life over there. So it will never disappear. You will never sing. Yeah, just like your Bitcoin. and yeah, for we do not have any 3D or virtual space existing or permanently before. Since you can always have a virtual space, and for example, the conference room or gaming space, but you after the meeting you close the conference room. After the gaming you just shut down your gaming server, so the space disappeared. But all our all of us of those islands will be there forever, and in a whatever time, whenever you log in, you access the network, it will it will be rendered, and it will be trained or inferenced forever. And we have the first ever metaverse wallet, yeah, built in our with our protocol. Well, it supports eight categories assets, including 3D or 3D, 2D or 3D, 2D pictures and 3D models, animations. For example, we have animation captured from the best dancers, and it could be that animations could be tokenized, as assets, and we have also have AI GC and AI models as assets. So that's not not it's not another backpack of gaming, of game assets. As I said, all the game assets that's just in the game. It can would never be ever be will not be exist or rendering forever. So all the assets in this metaverse or in hyper wallet will be rendered could be rendered forever. It will be existing on the network forever. As we know, probably we know all the files are stored on IPFS will be existing forever. So we have built-in distributed file system and store all the models file, and we have a GPU running. We could be could be used to rent, to be driven by to rent all the models and AI models and 3D models. And we also have the first ever hyper fab. That's a fab lab in metaverse. Maybe you do not. Maybe some of you know about Fab Lab. Fab Lab is a makerspace, created by a professor of MIT. With a slogan, "Create almost anything with digital." That's the difference is Fab Lab is in real world. They are focusing on building and creating physical objects, but with some digital design or tools or data. But Hyperfab is focusing on creating almost anything with digital, with pure digital. Of course, we have we will use blockchain and AI and GPU computing power, and those things are very similar to physical some instruments or tools in physical Fab Lab. So in Fab Lab we can mint our objects, or for example NFT, and we create a vehicle, we create avatar, NPC, and we create those with AIs. We call it the hyper AI. In the hyper fab, and the hyper as I said, we have a hypergraph scripts running on top of GVM, Hypergraph is the most powerful unified programming tool or programming language. It could be used in 3D and AI. If you use that hypergraph in 3D development, yeah, we build a 3D insane editor. So it's very similar. Looks like blueprint or visual scripts of Unity or blueprint of Unreal Engine, but it's in 3D inside. That means the user or developer or creator can use hypergraph in 3D scene, in 3D space, with your mouse or in the near future with your VR device. You can create all the graph scripts intuitively, yeah, with your gesture or movement, yeah. And we have probably is last but never least, the most fundamental thing is our hyperloads. The hyperloads, as we say, is the first ever fully tokenized GPU loads, the loads with GPUs, but and running with over there the consensus algorithm of proof of real work running, yeah. And we also have the hyper loads, the cloud loads as a 3D model, yeah, as a 3D assets in the metaverse. So if the user can host or can run a load or a hyperload in 3D scene and in the 3D space. Okay, that's pretty much the main some key features. Maybe not all, but most of that over there. And I will before I jump to the live demo, I probably we have some questions, so I could answer. Any question?
Is there any question? Before someone asks, let me ask that I have seen that in the part where in the last comparison, I've seen that real-time rendering. Can you tell me more about it? Because I've seen that in our advantage part, which other project is lacking. What is real-time rendering? Because yes, let me not mention the name. I've seen that they're doing offline rendering, but Hyperdust will be doing real-time rendering. Can you elaborate more on this part? Can you enlighten us more?
Yes, of course. So rendering is 3D, mostly used in 3D industry. 3D industry has is a very is quite big. Yeah, that's huge. Has a lot of subsections. Yeah, for example, architecture design. In architecture design, the architect sometimes will draw the ideas with probably with pencils or whatever they got, and they will create digital model, 3D model with computers, and some model are very complex. The architecture has need to be rendered, very detailed to the buyers. yeah, to the investors. So the owner, for example, the owner of the property, yeah. So that will consume a lot of computing to achieve that goal. For example, they may need to have very detailed pictures or very detailed videos to present their design. But this design could be done before the presentation. So they just, for example, they render a video, 1 minute video, or maybe 30 seconds video with very detailed, very high quantity, high definition, image quantity. It will take probably 1 week to render it. Yeah, just 30 seconds. But in that case, that's fine. They just render it before the final meeting. So that's part is just offline rendering. But for some scenarios, for example, the gaming, the need to the user need to response very fast. So that's real time. So for those some platforms are transformed from offline rendering applications. So they provide those offline rendering, and some, and we do not focus on those part. Yeah, mostly we focus on real time rendering, and we also focus on AI training and inference. Yeah.
Okay. So from the technical point of view, we are a step ahead from the competitors when some big projects are rendering offline. We will be rendering. We will be providing real-time rendering.
Yes.
So yes, we are solving some real-world problems.
Yes, from a metaverse and a gaming point of view, yeah, we
Yes.
are more advanced than them. Yeah, but they just come from another industry. But they are trying to change, to move into real time work.
Yes, it will definitely change the metaverse scenario.
Yeah.
What we are putting on the table. Any more question? I've seen Saitya joining in. Would you like to ask any question?
Okay.
Any question? Please raise your hand.
Okay. If not, maybe you can also ask question after the live demo. So
Okay.
let's
No problem.
start the most the fun part. Yeah, live demo. And you could access the platform from our official website. As I as you may know, you may see. Yeah, it's probably this part, we definitely need a visual, part content. So probably you could use our YouTube channel and to watch the live demo. And if you prefer to hands-on, to have some hands-on experience, of course you can access our platform from by your own. Yeah, you can do it by yourself. Yeah, you create Hyper app, and yeah, you open it. I think I already connect with with my wallet. Okay, that's good. Okay, and here from the landing page of our app, we can see a lot of spaces. Yeah, we have a hyperspace, and we have Manner section service, and we have help. So you can get some information, probably some useful, helpful information from this part, and for example, how to add your token HYBT, and some explanation of our hypergas, yeah, or that's and this part Mander as a hyperload will open soon. And here we have a lot of the hyperspace. That's the main fun part. And as you may see, we have right now we have I can think that's we have 10 Web3 islands. For example, Arbitron Island, and Balance Island, Coinbase, or Ethereum Island. We have a lot of Web3 islands. That's based on the idea of one of our KOL. I forget his name. What? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And we have those Web3 metaverse islands, and we also have our ambassador islands. We have totally 16 ambassador islands. We can also check it from the map, and we have also, since those are just hyperspace, not only for our island. So we have for example, the independent game developer or game studio can create their own game, and uploads the game file, zip file to hyperspace, and have it run rendered. As we so this part we solve the problem is we provide the resource or the GPU to the developers. The developers do not worry about the expensive cost to rent the GPU from cloud company. They just put their file, the codes on the top of our infrastructure. So those are some games, and we can go through it a little bit. For example, some very fantastic AAA games. I'm not gonna to check in all log in all the hyperspace, so that will be time consuming, and you can do that by yourself, maybe after this meeting or during it. Okay, I just go through this part as hyperspace, and we have our more functions and information here. If you click your profile, you can see we have a Hyperdust affiliate program, and everybody, you can develop, you can create your team, marketing team, and you got if you got a size, a reasonable big size of team, and you can have a very good passive incoming streaming from your from this affiliate program. And right now we have a Hyperloads affiliate program right now. And we gradually will have more products and so forth, into in this affiliate program. And you can check out your affiliate structure from here. So that's affiliate sharing. So probably you can share your invitation code now from now and grow up your team. Yeah. And we have you could also have the space management. Yeah, all the islands, if you have the island, will be listed here, but probably I do not have that right now. And all the epoch. The epoch means uh, it's very similar with a transaction of Ethereum or Bitcoin blockchain. So here you can see all the epoch listed over there. That's all the all the transactions. Yeah. So epoch could be epoch is using in two different category of applications. One is 3D pipeline, rendering pipeline, and another one is AI training and inference. So we, but maybe really nice. Maybe that's common sense with Ethereum. Ethereum version 2 also has the concept of epoch. So in that sense, we unified all the meaning of epoch. And of course, you can check out your NFT transaction over there, and you can go through it, check out your hyperload. I have 2 hyperloads running over there. Right now, the first blockchain will be Arbitrum. But the protocol itself can be running on the top of different blockchains, and you can control your hyperloads and do some operations. And of course, you can claim your rewards, your token mined by your hyperloads. Here is we can see, and some you can feel some claimable. Probably I already claimed one reward. Yeah, probably this one. Yeah, if you click. Yes, confirm. So that's why we need layer 2 blockchain. There are a lot. There is a lot of interactions with the blockchain in our platform. Claim amount. So that's the token I mined. Yeah, it's very happy thing is to claim the rewards. And we can have the order list or reward list over there. So as a manner, we already built very useful and convenient tools, but all the information are on the blockchain. So without this front end, you can also get the results from the blockchain itself. Okay, that's maybe this part is a little bit boring. Yeah, let's jump to the island. So here as we see, we said we do not list or rent any GPUs. We just use our token HYPT to drive the network working. To drive graph virtual machine, to drive the GPU, to rent or to train or inference. So we just need to choose how many epochs we want to access the network. Just like the smart contract, the bytecode, how many bytecodes we want to execute with EVM. So that's the same, exactly same idea. But just the different, only difference is some real work will, for example, 3D and AI training will be executed on GVM instead of EVM. Yeah. So this will give you a estimated the gas fee of how many of this epoch. So one epoch is 6.4 minutes. Yes, maybe take it 5. Yeah. Okay. We launch. At the moment, since we are running on top of layer 2, so we need to pay a ETH as a gas fee of the underneath blockchain or Arbitrum, or some other blockchains. And of course, we only pay the gas, hypergas fee. That means hypergas fee is used to drive GVM. Yeah, here we go. And we have a movie created created before in 2021. In our movie, we present the story of Mosai, the story behind of those AI generated islands. Yeah, that's we are landing on the one of the islands. We call it the Mosai City. That's a city island, but you can look around. Maybe somebody else over there, and we have a GPU, NPC are living on this island. Yeah, and gradually, but right now they may be a little bit boring or dummy, but with our networks running, all the NPCs will be trained continuously and will exist permanently. Yeah, and it's one part of our test campaign. All the you can grab some airdrop coins from different islands. So this is the map of the existing islands. Yeah, here, as I said, we have Web3 islands, for the Mastron Island, Solana, Polygon Islands, Arbitrum Islands, some other, maybe we have a Devil Crab FTS Island. Yeah, so you could go around, check it out, and I will show you how to get the airdrop. From the islands. So I think all the embassy islands, people can get airdrop from embassy. For example, from the island India, you click that. You got on board on the India island. You just see the India. For each island, we have the name and the coordinates, and very especially we have a space ID. Space ID will be used in the near future, and you can copy that SID just like the file ID of IPFS or not IPFS or Filecoin. Yes. Yeah, I just get one airdrop. Oh yeah, that's very cool. I got 1 point and one more than one HYPT. How about it again? No. Yeah. So for every 24 hours, yeah, if you land on the island, you can get the airdrop of HYTP. And of course, you can try it out and look around and fly or swim, whatever you want. Yes.
It's so cool.
Oh, okay.
It's so cool.
I just close it. Or sorry. What happened? Okay. Sorry, I just miss close the Explorer. Yeah. Okay. So we take yeah. We can go in. Yeah.
I urge every people who have attended to see
Yeah.
what is being demonstrated by Landon on YouTube stream, and the demo part. It's so awesome. It's so fantastic stuff developed by the Hyperdust team.
Yeah.
I'm awestruck.
Yeah. So there are a lot of features, as I mentioned. For example, hypergraph, hyper fab. You can create almost anything. Yeah, within within this protocol. Yeah, that's you could check it out by yourself, and I will go through some key features, and again.
Everybody, please log into your YouTube account and see the stream.
Yeah.
The demo is being demonstrated. Landon just now received an airdrop. He just showed how to get airdrop in the island.
Yes. And you can also jump to the some other island directly. Yeah, from the without go to this city. Yeah. For example, we have been we visited the India island. Which one? United States. What is that? What do we have in U.S. island? Let's check it out. Maybe some surprise. The same? Okay. The same, but maybe airdrop? No, no, don't. Yes. So I need to wait for a lot. I will take you to another island. That's my island. Christmas. Yes, that's Christmas island. Let's go there to check it out. Yeah, walk. Yeah, we got some vehicle. That's a Christmas gift, or? Yeah, Merry Christmas, everybody. But I do not have the permission. And no. I have my own vehicle here. As I said, we have our first ever wallet in Metaverse, and I have a space assets vehicle, 3D assets. Yeah, of those parts I have a lot, and we also have AI model and some other property. And you can also get the assets from official drops. Yeah, here you can see, uh, you can have the island. You can mint island from here. Yeah, official jobs. So this demo is very practical. Yeah, it's not just for show off. Yeah, it's where it will help you to get your your stuff.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, for
Our
example,
pre-launch test is already live, and
yes, it's already live. Yeah.
we will be going into the details part after the demo is finished.
Yes, and yeah, for example, you can start mint the island. You can choose. Right now, I guess it's free mint. Yeah, right now. Yeah, you just mint it.
Are these all MNFTs, means materialized NFTs?
Yes, all the islands is an NFT. So as you can check it, this image that's the image generated by the AI. So all the island images are generated by Style Game, generative model. And since I already have one island, so I cannot mint another one. So in the test phase, everybody can only mint one island, and you can check it out by yourself. As once you have island, you can yes hyper or jump down dancing. Yeah, but how to dance? I been part of this. Yes, that's we can dance. Have some very fun interactions over there. But this just quick, just a demo or example what can be done in with our tools, yeah, with Hypergraph, and you can also check out the Hyper store on the island over there. You click it, you can see. So there is empty of this island 3D assets. Okay, this those are as NFT listed for sales. So you probably you can buy one. That's quite cheap, I think. Yeah, it's Christmas tree. So all the island owner can release the purchase successfully. So can purchase can sell those assets NFT to their members or community, and if you buy that, you can check it out. Yes, you see, it's already in my wallet. I can list it to sell. Uh, to sell in my hyper store. Yeah. For example, let's do it then. Confirm to sell. How much? I bought that probably 100. Why not? Yeah. It's rare.
Okay.
Okay. So it will be.
Hyperstore will be the inbuilt NFT marketplace here then.
Yes. Each island has its own hyperstore, and we, of course, obviously, we will have a convergent marketplace. So we call that marketplace of metaverse. So why people want to need marketplace in metaverse? I will expand that a little bit later. So here is a social listing. Sure. Yeah. So I can go back to my island. So there is one more person in this island. So you can check out the number of person online. Yeah. Just two. If we are more people, we'll hire. Yeah. Oh. So how to stop it? I do not want to always dance. Yeah. here is stop. Okay, that's I'm normally. Yeah, you can check out. Yeah, some other people over there. Two peoples over here. And over there, yes. I'm not sure who is this guy. Probably I can see hello. Maybe I can do some, yeah, to wave my hand or send a message. Hello. Yeah, and or I can, yeah, yeah, emoji. Yeah, give an express. Yeah, that's good. And also you can use your NFT, for example, any NFT, Mimi, yeah, the Pepe or Doggy, with as your emo icons expression. So yeah, that's what's that? That's part is crazy. Okay, that's for metaverse social part, and also you can have your store and the NFT buy and sell. Uh, as I already listed one NFT in my hyper store. I go back to my island. My island maybe has some a little behavior test. So I my island got a lot of stuff. So it will be load. Yeah, loading time will be longer. So that's table or some sort of some like I call it app island. I do not have this app personally. Yeah, I just use. If you have that, you can create a yeah very fun, very convenient. And here, let's check out the Hyperstore. Hyperstore there. Yeah. So you can yeah some others I can buy by myself. Yeah, for yeah can buy myself stuff. Yeah, I don't know by that. Every every visitors can buy NFT from my store. And for the Hyperfab, let's check it. Hyperfab. So we create almost everything, uh, almost anything with digital, with data and computing power. So here you can mint NFTs and check it. Yeah, for example, single or multiple one. Yeah, I'm not going to do that right now. Just just take you guys look around. You can do it yourself. Please get hands on. On the avatar creation center, and you can create avatar or animation. Yeah, you can key. You can train even train your NPC over here. Maybe in the future. But right now, you have animation panel or model panel. You can upload your own model. So for 3D designer, you can create their some new avatar 3D model or some professional creator capture more animations. They can upload the animation and mint all the animation and a new model as NFT. Yeah. Okay, that's just to give you an idea about that. It's not it's easy. It's quite easy to to do to create, but also you may probably need to follow some instructions, and you have a you can create your vehicle with Hyperfab. Yeah. Yeah. So the vehicle is a little bit complex. So in the garage, as I prefer to call as hyper garage, and you can check out. This is a racing, racing stadium, racing line. There you can do a lot of things. This you follow the don't do that kind. You follow just very simple, and you pick up a body of a car or vehicle. For example, here, you move here to a bench or a working bench, just to put there, and you want to put, you choose, for example, this wheel. Okay, maroon. Yeah, and you turn a little bit. Yeah. Yes. And click it and press N to clone it. Clone one wheel. Yeah. And take this and take this. Press. Yeah, but maybe did. Here we go. I'm not good game player, but how to, I need to remove this. Yeah, okay, let's go. Let's do it. And roll. Yes, something like that. Yeah, you can copy different two more wheels, and you will be, and you can, of course, you can try it. Yeah, I'm not sure it can work or not. Oh, okay, it's a work like a creepy, but this gives you an idea. Yeah, how to build things. How to create a vehicle or some other planes or ships or yacht with fab, with hyperfab. Okay, and I'll go back.
This is just like a drag and drop model.
Yes, it's like a dragon. It's quite easy to use. And
It's quite easy.
yes, and we have our hypergraph, as I mentioned. So I will give you a demo to how to uh, use that part. But hypergraph, it's a visual, 3D visual scripts.
So I think it's it will be means its platform is for everybody. Means uh, Web3 inclined creative mind can uh, can build, can create anything,
Yes,
or anybody who is technically smart or technically enriched, like knows 3D modeling, they also can upload pre-built games. Uh,
yes.
am I right?
Yes, you can create some, for some amateur creator or builder, you can use this hyperspace or hyperfab create stuff, create assets, and the other part, some other third-party developers can build their own totally different or from scratch. They can build games from scratch and upload the game to the Hyperdust. So that's
Okay,
uh,
cool.
a little bit different. And here we can have our enter the FabLab Hyperlab editor mode. In this mode, you can even have even more stronger power to edit. Yeah, you have more freedom, just a little bit. Yeah. So this item has a lot of 3D models, so it'll be slow. Yeah, and you click one, or you can change it. For example, you can move this, yeah, and you can rearrange. For example, how this, yeah. Well, yes, you can rearrange and change your size or directions or some other property. And of course you can use yeah, this one, okay, one, that's minus one, not one. Okay, so we just changed it to orange size, as you see. Yeah, that's there's more. Okay, and you can edit everything here, and you can also create the hypergraph. Yeah, if you select one 3D model object, here you can see you can change the basic parameters, and you can change the materials. Yeah, so this part is a bit more professional, but not professional, so professional than some professional gamer or designer. So this is for more advanced, yeah, maybe medium level, yeah, creators, and some spatial and hypergraph. Yeah, as you see, you can have the hypergraph here and load. You can create more load, get a position. I'm still learning the hypergraph. Yeah, I mean how to write a functional hypergraph. Also, I designed the language, the hypergraph.
There is no age to learn.
Yes, yeah. So and after some editing, it could well be, yeah. We already creating. We are creating an
Yes,
yeah,
I think it will be a
sample project. Yeah,
paradise for all who loves technology, loves
yeah,
uh, doing research.
yes,
And yes, I appreciate what you have done.
yes, yeah. That's just to give you an idea about the hypergraph. This part is just like Solidity, yeah. So developer, yeah, Solidity developer write some scripts and have compile it to the bytecode. The bytecode will be loaded to on the EVM, and hypergraph is almost the same principle, yeah, the same steps. People create hypergraph, and the hypergraph will be compiled, yeah, to the code the running on the top of GVM. Yeah.
Great. From the marketing point of view, I would like to stress that I'm eager to hold one talent event, talent show
Yeah.
in one of the island.
That's great. And yeah, let's go back to the old
Maybe we could
hyperspace.
bring in some influencers, some models, some actors, some celebrities here, so that they uh, they stay here, they means they give their presence, and let's have a talent competition.
Yes, that's very good. So that's we call it hyper fab hexam. Yeah, we have that kind. Yeah, we have some balance or reward to those competitors or builders. So we can check out some games, AAA games. Which one you want to play? This one? This yeah. So this game is developed by third-party game developers, very professional game developer. Yeah, as you see, this is is directly uploaded to Hyperdust, and nobody need to pay for the hosting fee or something like that. So people just use HYPT Hyperdust token, to dri- dri- to drive the protocol to access the network. Yeah, let's go. As you see, that's pure AAA image quality. To me, so as you see, all the rendering is done with our hyper loads. And how to get it? Wow. Oh, sorry. Yeah, probably you are a better gamer. I tried. Yeah, I tried. Try it again. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, that's a short demo. Uh, and probably you guys could have more fun with that. Uh, okay. Yeah, exactly. Uh, so hypergas is running out. This is also a part of demo. So you need have some token to drive to access the network, but you do not need to. Nobody need to rent a GPU from the platform, and you can go back. And I believe some people already received our token, the HYPT, and then probably you can try it by yourself, or you can share your tokens with other people, and have more people get fun, get some fun. Yeah, I think that's pretty much the live demo. And if we have more questions, or we could answer that.
I think many of you will be interested now to test the environment, test the environment, and to log in into the platform, and you'd be eager to earn some airdrops.
Yeah.
So I would like you to take part in the pre-launch test.
Yes, and all the tokens, all the test token will be converted to official token. It's the before the TGE, before the token generated event. So after the current plan is we have the test running for about 2 weeks, and after that we will spend 1 or 2 weeks to fix some issues we found during test. And we'll have the our contract token contract certified and our token will be leased at DeepCoin. Yeah.
Yes. Currently, 30,000 worth of HYPT will be distributed
Mm.
during the testing events. There are lots of
Yeah.
events, lots of contests will be held.
Yes. Yeah. It will be go public uh, very soon, and maybe after this.
Community owners, influencers can
Mm.
apply for AI generated islands.
Yeah.
300 islands will be distributed now.
Yes. Yeah. Mm.
And you could earn from 100 to, means it's not bounded. You can earn, you can monetize,
Yeah.
you can mint NFTs in the island. So
Yeah.
it will be a very lucrative for the uh, early adopters. So I would like everybody to take part in the uh, pre-test and give your feedback so that we could, if there is always a room for improvement. So if after the test, I would appreciate everybody to give feedbacks so that we could improve at each and every phase.
Yes, I saw. Crypto Cryptolite is
Mm-hmm.
requesting yeah to ask a question. So go ahead.
All right, good day, guys. I don't know if you all can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you clear.
Okay, so all right. Basically, I understand most of everything you've been saying, the islands, the minting of the NFTs, and all that. But I want to go a little bit out of the basics that you guys have been talking about here. And so I was going through the white paper, right? I don't
Yeah.
know. Can I go on? Can I ask?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So this is kind of a technical question. So yeah, the simplicity and the efficiency of the hyper trust arbitration protocol are actually emphasized. Basically leveraging 2D and 3D linear algebras, thus avoiding complex machinery, right? So, my question is, how can you please provide insights into how this particular design choice can benefit the overall execution of the 3D transformation computations, especially in, let me say, the comparison to alternative pinpoint protocols that may have lacked such a streamlined approach. I don't know if you get my question. Did you get the question?
I do not 100% to get your question. But how about Satoye?
Uh, Maybe Landon. I'm a marketing guy. Means he's asking
Yeah, I just heard about the want to know the hypertrust protocol, or but what does that mean? What? Yeah, could you repeat the question, or just in simple
I
sentence?
think he's trying to ask the technical part where
Mm.
it
We
will be it will be
oh, oh,
uh, the underlying
oh,
the technology behind the part behind the
oh,
infrastructure is helping the
oh.
computing part. Are you trying to say this?
Yeah, yeah. Basically, okay. Let me rephrase the
Mm.
question. Let me make it a little bit simpler.
Yeah.
Okay, you talked the when people talked about the simplicity of the hypertrust arbitration protocol,
Mm.
which you are going to be leveraging 2D and 3D linear algebras. Now, this particularly, as you quite made clear, is to avoid complex machinery, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure. Get your point, but if you ask the underlying principle of hypertext, do do you want to know about more about that?
Oh, yeah. This question is quite easy. I'm basically asking about the comparison of your hypertrust
Mm.
arbitration protocol to that of other alternative protocols that lack such a streamlined approach. It's not something very difficult or technical per se.
Okay,
Yeah.
Lyman, I think he's trying to say that
Mm.
the underlying infrastructure, underlying machinery, how it will be enhancing our intensive computing part to render 3D graphics means the competitors which are lacking this
Mm.
thing, how we are going to solve it
Yeah.
with our
Yeah.
infrastructure.
So that question is not yeah easy question. So if yeah, that's a key point. That's a key part of our protocol. Yeah. So I can answer. I got your questions. Your question is that in all the existing platform or protocol, they are just
Yeah.
use. They are have the GPUs and the GPU computing as a service. They have that. They have the. They already have that as like all the cloud companies. They have that part, and they do not tokenize that part. That means they just sell that or just lease that for rent. And people rent the service from those platform. They do not use GPU to reach consensus. They do not use GPU to prove the work. They do not have any proof of rendering. They do not have any proof of AI training. So that part is missing. If we do not have that part, we cannot fully tokenize GPUs. So that's
Okay.
why we use hypertrust as our consensus algorithm. Just it's similar with antitrust. So of Arbitrum. The antitrust is the early version of core algorithm of Arbitrum, but it's not the early version. It's already it's current algorithm of Arbitrum, maybe Arbitrum one. I forgot about the one or Nova, but it has its own data nodes. So all the data, there is a data committee. So all the nodes, the data will not is not stored on the layer one. Is not stored on the Ethereum. So all the loads there is an assumption that's Hyperdust Antitrust has an assumption says if uh, are there are two loads there are n minus one loads trustable, the whole network is trustable.
Perfect.
So
Thank you so much for that.
that part is very fundamental and maybe a little bit challenge part of our protocol. So that's not a simple question. Yeah. So we spent all the we used the whole network white paper, the most part of the white paper to explain it. Yeah. I just use I'm trying to explain it in a simple in simple words.
All right. Thank you very much for that explanation.
Thank you. Yeah. So that's in traditional consensus algorithm needs uh, three of third three of third nodes to reach the to have the same results. It will be blocked. It will be ramped up on the blockchain on the ledger. So that's why the whole blockchain, most of the blockchains TPS rates are very low, since they need to two of three, two of third, two of third of all nodes, all nodes of the network reach the same, reach the same agreement. But in any trust, that's the number of the nodes reduced to n minus one. So that's totally different. So that's why we can leverage, we can borrow the idea of any trust, and create a hyper trust protocol.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Any more question?
Okay, probably the last question so Carlot, yeah. And if you guys have more questions, you can also comment, give us comments or reach out to us.
Hello, good day, everyone.
Hello,
I don't know if you can clearly.
yeah, can hear you.
Okay. I just have to say I had to switch over to YouTube, and I saw how visually stunning the development is. I just have one question though about the NPCs
Yeah.
and how we train them, and like you said that we do get to train the NPCs. I want to know if there is any relationship between how we train the NPCs and how we interact with the environment. Is there any relation like that whatsoever?
Yeah. Okay. Uh, train NPC. AI train NPC is just one kind of application of AI. So your question would be addressed like would be asked like how to train AI model. Yeah. Uh, I would say maybe we already have the AI model training platform already. For example, Hugging Face. Yeah. Probably if you do not do Hugging Face, you can check it out from the website. The Hugging Face. Hugging Face. The basic idea of Hugging Face is to host all the AI model, yeah, with more convenient setup environment. The platform integrated some existing in how to say some instance in some integrating with, for example, the machine learning API application framework. Yeah, so people can launch their own AI app. Yeah, on the platform, and with the AI module hosting. Yeah, if the hosting, the main key part hosting the AI model is to have GPU resource. Yeah, to have GPU to run the model. Yeah, with some tuning. So that's the existing infrastructure or platform. Yeah, we will have the we will host the AI module, and people can upload the AI module to Hyperdust, and but the main difference is from a Hugging Face platform is we do not charge people service fee or monthly week or daily fee of GPU. We do not rent lease GPU to our users. Yeah, so that's what is doing of Hugging Face. We just have our GPU over there, the network, Hyperdust network, and people can drive the training process or inference process, as we say, the epoch. Yeah, a epoch is a specific term used in AI training and inference. So almost it's the same process or concept of 3D rendering per epoch. Yeah, people could have multiple epochs to train the model, but only yeah, they just need to use HYBT to drive the GVM, yeah, to drive the AI model training. So that's uh, the part the part the AI model training.
All right, thank you. You did mention the AI model training in place. I want to know, like, do we get like different user experiences based on how we interact with this AI host model? Would there like be a difference based on how we use it?
Yeah, you can use that as I demoed with. You can use that in Hyperfab in the space. You can, for example, you can upload the file as I showed. Upload the file to mint NFTs. You can upload the data to train the modules. You can do that, and what after that, if you have your AI model ready, for example, it's a large language module, LLM, and you can connect this language module to your NPC, and you can talk with them. Yes, I just open the chart window in the scene, and you can talk with the NPC, and the NPC will, yeah, respond with you.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So it will be very cost effective. Means you're telling that for GPU, to get GPUs for computing, to get computing tasks done for AI training, we won't be charged.
Yeah.
Okay. A couple of months ago, I tried Google. Means I tried AI modeling. I had to spend some huge amount in AI training. So I
Yes.
know how
Yes.
much it
Yeah.
costs
Yes.
to.
as I mentioned, for example, if you go Hugging Face, if you go to Runway ML, you need to pay a lot of money to them to train your model, and those platform well don't care about if you success or fail. They just take money away. You pay them, and also the platform also do not benefit from your growth. Yeah, if you go bigger, yes, you maybe you just leave them. Yeah, so there is no ecosystem, no economy among between you and your platform. But in with Hyperdust, yeah, all the user, all the applications use HYPT. Yeah, we are on the same. We are in the same in a one economy. Yeah, body
Definitely.
ecosystem.
So,
Yeah.
so, so the two verticals that might be big in the upcoming days are one metaverse and two is AI. We are covering both of them.
Yeah. Yes. Exactly. So, as I've said, the MOSI, the virtual island, the island generated in the metaverse, came from or generated by AI. So, maybe 2 years ago, we just generate a 2D image, the image of island. But gradually, we we can create a 3D yeah, module by AI. That's very close. That's, for example, the Gauss splatting, the new algorithm. It can generate a very nice 3D model. So in that sense, uh, we yeah, can create a real metaverse generated by AI, and of course, why not we yeah also create an everlast or ever evolution involving yeah artificial intelligence.
Awesome. Let me remind everybody that the test is live,
Yeah.
and owners, community owners, schools can apply for an island. Anybody can apply for an island if
Yes.
you have significant amount of followers. Uh, and yes, there is a 3D wallet, Hyper Wallet, and you
Uh,
need to.
okay.
Yes,
Sadoi, yes.
yes.
Sorry to interrupt. Uh, Actually, everybody can mint island. They do not apply permission to mint.
Okay.
They can mint, but the token box on the island need to be applied. Need to apply from yeah foundation. Since the box has a lot of token, yeah, it will drop on the island.
Okay. So interact with the platform, earn HYPT tokens, and there are many games as well, like Space Station, Escape, Ship Wars. Engage with those games,
Yeah,
earn
yeah,
HYPT. Then you visit some places where you will be able to earn HYPT in 24 hours. Rewards rewards system will be rewards the whole structure, the the uh, the placement, the how much you will be able to earn. Those will be given to you later. You can learn later about it. But yes, you take part, you earn now,
yeah. And
and
you can also create your affiliate team. Yeah, you can yeah create a very big market team, affiliate team, and you can get passive incoming stream. Yeah.
Yes, it will be a very good passive income.
A lot of
Like
opportunities are the
yes,
yeah
and
opening.
Hyperfab Hackathon is also will be live.
Yeah.
So yes, stay tuned.
Yeah.
And yes, the Hypernode mining competition will also be live.
Yes.
So yes, you uh, uh, provide your GPU resources. If you don't have time, if you don't have that resources, you can uh, order from us. So yes, it will be done simultaneously. So stay tuned, keep an eye on everything. Stay tuned to the channel. And yes, a referral program about the node program uh, are all attached. If you refer, you will be able to earn more. So refer node to take part in the referral program as well. Any more question? Someone requested.
Yeah. The last one question. So we are running IMA more than 2 hours.
Yes, it was quite long AMA
Yeah, people
because
get tired. Yeah.
you are giving the demo. I think the community needed that.
Yeah.
They needed how to get the airdrop. They needed the all the system, all the technical part. They needed to have a look at it. Yes, so it was quite a learning experience for them. I think it will be the last question. Will you accept it as the last question of today's AMA? Okay.
Okay, that's pretty much.
Regarding the marketing part, I would like to add something that we are already live. Our private round is already live, and we will be listing on January. Deepcoin will be our first centralized exchange. More six centralized exchanges will be followed up, will be added more. So yes, we are about to take a good jump, and our products are all live. The more the days goes, our product will be more advanced, will get more advanced, will be more polished, and we will be doing some more interactive contests. Stay glued. And regarding the marketing, yes, we have lots on our plan. We have some influencer program as well. We will be teaming up with influencers. I already mentioned here before that I have a plan of hosting an talent competition inside the metaverse. And yes, I have working experience of working with some top tier marketing companies in India. I will be looking into it, and yes, I think it would be very beneficial if we bring some influencer or celebrities inside our metaverse, if they interact with the community members, if they themselves create an island, and it will be very much helpful. So from the marketing point of view, yes, we are already on target, and yes, we are highly optimistic, and no doubt this is a technically rich, fundamentally strong project. Uh, it covers two verticals, which is AI and metaverse, and solves real world utility, real world problem, and yes, I think it will be a solid project to launch in the upcoming month. So yes, stay attached, uh, stay tuned, and yes, we are optimistic. We are working hard. Yes, that's all I have to say. Landon, do you want to add something?
Yeah, no. Yeah, and let's get hands on our products, and yeah, and try yourself.
Yes, definitely. Grab some HYPT token early, because I'm pretty much sure that it will be very much costly in the next 2 to 3 months. So yes, go and grab some
Yeah.
tokens as much as possible. Uh, I think there is no question, and it was a big AMA. It was full of learning stuff. There was lots of technical question also. We answered it.
Yeah, I think we have a Discord yeah channel for any questions or yeah.
Yes,
you,
definitely.
yeah, you guys can use that also. And
Yes.
so yeah, talk to you guys with you guys next time.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you for giving us your time for attending the AMA. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, everybody.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Bye, everybody.